Grand jury. We've been getting a lot of questions about this. Has he officially been charged? It's going to be up to a grand jury to decide exactly what charges he's going to be facing. And we've been trying to get you some perspective here. So For In Your Corner's Adam Pinsker has been speaking with an attorney just to give you the big picture of legal perspective here. He's not directly associated with this case, and he's telling us, in his view, in his experience in other cases, the death penalty could be an option.
The state's attorney's office says it is too early to determine if the death penalty will be sought against Desmaret. They have to wait for a grand jury to be impaneled and return an indictment against him. However, a Fort Myers attorney not working on the case says that may only take a couple weeks.
When there's a law enforcement officer that's killed in the line of duty by a defendant, you're going to see the death penalty on the table.
But before that can be decided, Fort Myers attorney Scott Goldberg says a court must determine if Wisner Desmaret is competent enough to stand trial. His mental status came into question last week after he critically wounded Fort Myers officer Adam Jobbers Miller in the line of duty. But after Officer Jobbers Miller lost his week-long battle against his injuries, authorities are preparing for the trial of an accused cop killer.
You only get one chance at this.
Goldberg, a former prosecutor himself, says in Florida, felony murder charges almost always come from a grand jury. So as of now, Desmaret is only facing allegations from FMPD that he shot Officer Jobbers Miller.
People get killed in Florida almost every day. But when you kill a first responder, those are the people we're sending out to the front lines to protect us. When you do that, there's another level of complexity.
Including the shock and sadness law enforcement and the community are dealing with over Officer Jobbers Miller's death. Goldberg thinks Desmaret will eventually be charged with murder. And when he is, his lawyers will be fighting to keep him off death row.
Justice under these circumstances usually comes with the loss of life. An eye for an eye.
Meantime, Immigration's Custom Enforcement, or ICE, has put a detainer on Desmaret, accusing him of entering the country illegally from Haiti. Reporting from the Lee County Judicial Complex, Adam Pinsker, Fox 4, In Your Corner.